welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Rumana. Today I'm going to take you a tour of Coventry. I would not be showing you the entire Coventry, but I'll make sure I'll show you something which is very important in Coventry. That is city center, जो यहाँ पे उसको town भी बोलते हैं. Actually आज मैं थोड़ी सी shopping करूँगी. I was not feeling well from last week. And my husband promised me the sooner you get better, I'll take you for a shopping. As he has given me a very good budget and he gave me a option where I can shop something even for my kitchen, which is very exciting for me. तो इसीलिए आज मेरा क्योंकि better दिन होने वाला है, better Saturday होने वाला है, so that's why I got dressed up a little bit. I'm wearing a dress today which my sister gave me 2 years back. So I'm just wearing it today for the first time, and it's a very nice and bright sunny day in Coventry. So I don't want to spoil the day sitting at home. Just go and get outside and go and get some vitamin D, which is very hardly to get here. So let's get started. Follow me. Let me put on my sunglasses so that I protect my eyes from the sun. And take my water bottle. Come on, guys. As you all know, my husband is getting ready to drive. Say hi.
Hi.
He's still a bit shy for the camera. That's our ginger eating food. That's my car, blue color. We have parked the car, so let's go out. This is how this car parking looks. It's such a nice and bright, lovely day today. See, there my handsome husband comes. I love to show off my husband. This is a fountain, and this is a eating area. Here we have lots of yummy food. This is because it's a summer now, so even they have an ice cream stall, and that's my all-time favorite stall. Jacket potato, and you find all kind of different food. This is a Primark behind me. Here you'll find all the fashionable, affordable clothes for all kind of, any western, formal, casual, everything. I don't shop from here quite often because my husband don't like Primark. I don't know why. But today I'm going to shop here. I want to buy something which is reasonable and still yet fashionable. We are getting in. Now I have shopped quite a bit in Primark. Now my husband wants to go to Wilco. He never goes home back without going in here. I don't know what he finds in this store. He just loves it. Let me just also get in. There is a lot of construction going on here. See, this is what he does. Whenever he comes here, the first thing he comes wherever the reduced items are there. This place is heaven for a people like me who love shopping for the kitchen. I love this place, but I have everything now. I don't want to buy anything. I was here just 3 days back and I shopped a lot. Now I am really not in a mood to shop anything for kitchen. After checking the reduced item, he directly comes into this area where you find all kind of screws. See, what are you searching for? You always buy screws. Now we are just sitting here and taking some sun because I am tired now. Before I go to some other shop, I have to sit for some time and then it's a time for me to eat some lunch. I love eating here baked potato with tuna and mayo, which is very healthy and very yummy. I always make it a point whenever I come to city center, I eat this and go. It's quite filling. Mayo, please. Yes, please.
Nice fish on. No, it's in the market.
You get me a coffee one?
Yeah, but I'll make sure if you'd like
I'll
coffee.
have five coffee.
I thought they were nice size, mouthpieces.
Let's enjoy. Now I'm going to enjoy my baked potato with tuna mayo. I eat so many times, but I still, every time I eat, I fall in love with it. My sister also loves this. This is for you, darling Sada. Now he's got his favorite lunch, so we are enjoying now. Abhi tummy full, and again I'll start my shopping. Now I am going to buy some hair spa product for me. I'm going to side body care. This is where I buy my lot of essentials like shampoos, conditioners and many more. Now I'm going to look for a hair spa product. Today I did not find here any hair spa products, so I'm still in a search of it. I might go to Savers and see there. I came out of that mall because I couldn't find anything over there, so now I'm going to Savers. I hope I'll find something over there. I got what I wanted. Now I just want to sit somewhere and relax and then just go to H&M, and I want to buy something there, finish it and then go home. I'm very tired now. I shopped a lot, I roamed a lot, and I just want to go home now. I'm not well and I was so excited to show you all, to shoot a vlog. Now I'm going to end it now. Hey guys, today I met my friends. That's Neha and that's Naren. And this is Dugu.
Say hi.
Hi! So I would be signing off now. Today I'm done for today. I'm really tired. I'll see you next time. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.